decided to take this video just because I couldn't find anything online that would show me, but I wanted to show you my 2021 Brute Force 750 in the back of my 2020 Silverado 2500 HD. The tailgate will almost shut. It's very close, but I know DG makes a bracket that'll hold it just about open, or just about shut, right about there. So that's how close it is. I'm doing this so I can figure out if I can haul an RV behind us, and I think I can. By the way, pretty steep getting up there. Hope you enjoyed.